Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. When it comes to AI image generation, most people agree that Nano Banana Pro is one of the most powerful models available today. The problem is not the technology itself, it's how people are using it. Despite having access to a top tier model, many users still end up with images that look artificial. Skin appears overly smooth or plastic like, facial proportions feel off, and poses often look stiff or not natural. This leads many to assume that the model is flawed. But in reality, the issue almost always comes down to prompting. That is exactly what we are fixing in this video. Today I'm going to show you how to use a structured JSON prompting method that gives you far more control over your results. With this approach, you can maintain character consistency, define poses accurately, control lighting and textures, and generate images that look convincingly real, often to the point where most people would never guess they were AI generated. So, what exactly is this method? There are several ways to access Nano Banana Pro, but for this walkthrough, we'll be using it through Pipet AI. Pipet AI is an all in one platform that simplifies the process and gives you direct access to Nano Banana Pro without unnecessary setup. So once you're inside the Pipet AI, head to the Image Studio. From there, select AI Design Nano Banana Pro. Choose Nano Banana Pro as your model. Set your preferred image quality and select an aspect ratio. That's it. The interface is intentionally simple, which allows you to focus entirely on the prompt rather than the tool itself. Now, this is where most beginners get stuck. JSON prompting can look intimidating at first. It's structured, detailed, and very different from writing a simple one line prompt. To solve this, I have a basic JSON template that clearly defines every visual detail the AI needs to follow. So instead of guessing what the model might do, you're explicitly telling it how the image should look. So let me show you how this works with a real example. For generating the JSON prompt itself, we can use either ChatGPT or Gemini. In this case, I'm using Gemini. So start by using a reference image. This can be from Pinterest or anywhere else. I got mine from Pinterest. Then copy the JSON prompt template and paste it into Gemini along with the reference image. Now, once you hit generate, Gemini produces a highly detailed JSON prompt that breaks down every visual element in a structured format. So, this prompt includes information about lighting, camera angle, skin texture, facial details, pose, environment, and more. Instead of relying on a vague descriptions, you now have a precise instruction set that the AI can follow consistently. Next, take that generated JSON prompt and paste it directly into Pipet AI. So just copy the prompt generated by Gemini and paste it into Pipit AI. Once you generate the image, you'll receive multiple outputs. Now, when you compare them side by side with the original reference, the similarity is immediately noticeable. What's important here is that even when you don't upload the reference image directly into Pipit AI, the results still look remarkably close. That's because the prompt itself is doing the heavy lifting. Skin looks natural, not glossy, facial proportions are realistic, poses feel intentional rather than random. Now let's look at another example. Using the same template with a different reference image produces similarly strong results. This consistency is a real strength of JSON prompting. You're not relying on luck or repeated generations, you're creating a repeatable system. Now, a common question at this point is how to use this method with your own character. The process is simple. Simply upload a photo of your model's face and repeat the same steps. The AI does not copy the image pixel for pixel. Instead, it uses the reference for inspiration. So the poses may be similar, but the final output is a unique image with its own lighting, expression, and composition. When you look at the side by side comparison, you'll notice something important. The AI maintains identity and realism without producing a direct duplicate. So, skin tones, textures, and facial details remain consistent, but the image still feels natural and original. This is where Nano Banana Pro really shines when paired with proper prompting. The skin texture looks detailed and realistic, highlights and shadows behave naturally, nothing feels artificial or overprocessed. These images genuinely look like something you'd see in a professional Instagram post. Another key advantage of JSON prompting is flexibility. Because every visual detail is clearly defined, you can easily make changes. If you want to adjust facial expressions, simply specify multiple expressions or name the exact ones you want. So just tell the AI, give me multiple expressions. If you want a different mood, lighting style, or camera angle, you can modify those sections directly in the prompt. So you're no longer guessing how the AI will interpret your instructions, you're directing it. This is why JSON prompting is so powerful. It turns AI image generation from trial and error into a controlled creative workflow. To make this process easier, I've shared a simple JSON template that you can reuse and customize for your own projects. And once you understand how it works, you can adapt to it in any niche, portraits, branding visuals, thumbnails, or social media content. So if you want to try it yourself, just comment down below and I'll give the prompt to you guys. So use the template, experiment with different variations, and start generating images that actually look real. Before we end this video, let me introduce to you Bloggy from Technic Force. Run successful blogs on hands-free mode. AI Autoblogger gets you unlimited organic traffic with unique high-quality articles. The only AI writer that uses multi-AI and creates how new content based on latest trends. Get traffic, authority, leads, sales, and build organic success for any business you choose. Bloggy AI creates better and unique articles with multiple AIs. Bloggy gives you the option to use all of the best AIs to write unique and high-quality content that stands apart and ranks faster. Writes fresh and original content on 100% autopilot. Bloggy can run on full autopilot. Just give it topics and keywords, and it will automatically churn out fresh articles as often you want on complete autopilot. No need to manually write each article separately. Algo keeps articles fresh and relevant. Writes highly relevant articles on the schedule you specify. Create articles in any language. You can use Bloggy to create articles in any language you want. Choose between all the languages that your favorite AI supports, including English, Spanish, French, Japanese, Italian, Hindi, Chinese, German, and dozens more. So what are you waiting for? Get Bloggy now. Just go to getbloggy.in.